Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back after a little break, but we're back with another spooky set. So in today's video, I'm going to be using these materials that you see on the screen. All of the stuff that I've got is from Amazon, so if you guys would like to purchase this, go down to the link in my description box and you can access my Amazon storefront. So of course, I'm going to start out by going in with my base coat. I got this from Beetles, and this comes in a twin pack on Amazon. Again, you can access that link down in my description box, but I like this Beetles top coat and base coat a lot. It just works really well, and it's very affordable. Once all my nails are coated, I'm going to go in with this Jelly Sheer deep red that I got from Amazon. It's kind of a vampire vibe. I really like this color, and that's kind of the vibe of this set. It's black and red. It gives me, a very spooky vibe, and I decided to name it Morticia, like Morticia Addams. I think it's so cute. And you guys can access this set too on my Etsy. I'll be sure to link that in a couple different spots so you guys can get it. I just finished up my spooky sale, so if you guys missed it, I do apologize, but be sure to follow me on all my socials so you can stay up to date on when I have sales. I'm then gonna go in with a different Jelly Sheer red polish. I got this one from Amazon as well. It's from the brand called Sinvinsky. It's a jelly polish that's also red, but it's a different hue of red. So I'm just gonna layer these, going with that first one, then this black one, and then back with the first one. Once the foundation is totally laid for this set, I'm going to go in with a black polish. Any black polish will do, and then just make some French tips. I'm going to kind of rush through this process. I don't really have a good way of doing French tips, nor do I have a good way of showing you how I do it. I kind of just do it however it works for me, and if I end up with a nice clean smile line, then I am good with it. So I'm going to go in and make those French tips, and then once that's complete, go in with another layer of black so that you get a nice opaque black French tip. So I definitely had this idea from what you can see in the corner at the top left. I had a bunch of gems laid out, a bunch of spooky charms and all this stuff. And I had this idea that I was going to make these like super blinged out and very like extra and, gaudy and whatever. But I decided to kind of dial it back, keep it simple, and add a cross to the middle nail. And then to all the rest of the nails, added a silver stud at the base so I could keep it minimalistic but still give the vibe of Halloween. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with my Beetles top coat and then just add this top coat all over the nails. And I'm making sure to cover those silver studs at the bottom too with top coat so that they don't wear away. Once the top coat is applied, I'm going to cure it in the lamp, and this is what I ended up with. A very cute but simple spooky set, and something that I really enjoyed doing because it was different than my typical French tip. I'm so tired of doing French tip, guys. I just needed something different, and this is definitely the vibe that I was going for. If you guys like this set, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!